I want to give you 3 special tips for excelling at your deposition. The number 1 tip that people do is when they're at a deposition, you're going to be asked questions under oath by a defense attorney about basically what happened. All of your background information. Where do you live? Are you married? Do you have children? All of that stuff. The second part of it is going to be what happened to you at the doctor or the hospital. When did this happen? The third part of it will be what are your injuries or harms? What part of your body was hurt? So those are the 3 major parts, but I want to help you excel at your deposition with 3 simple tips. Number 1, try not to volunteer information. When they ask you a question, it's very good to pause, think, take it nice and slow before you answer. That gives the attorney, me, time to object if I need to. So really important. You're thinking about only answering the question that they're asking and nothing more. Your job is not to help the defense attorney, but to get right to the point. Your 3 best friends at a deposition are yes, no, and I don't know. Why? Because when you answer very short, succinct answers like that, you don't volunteer information. Let the defense attorney force you to answer questions. Be really short and to the point. The second best tip that I have for you is don't guess. Guessing is really bad. If you're not sure of the time or date of something, I don't know is a perfectly acceptable answer. All of the information that we need for your case is in the medical records. The dates, the times, the places. We don't really need it from you. And if you don't recall, just say, I don't remember, I don't recall. That's a much better answer than guessing. And if you're not sure of something, let's say, when did you get to the hospital? If you're not sure of the time, you could say in the morning, or the evening, or you could give a range between 6 and 9 in the morning. But you wouldn't say 6 a.m. unless you were positive that that was the time that you were there. So guessing will get you into a lot of trouble. Now let me give you the 3rd and biggest tip of a deposition. Never lie. You are under oath, so you promise to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God. The only thing that you could do to destroy your case is lying, because you're under oath. And if the defense catches you in a lie, even a small little lie, it's devastating to your case. You never want to lie. If you're not sure of something, I'm not sure, I don't know. Or if you can answer with a yes or no, but what you don't want to do is lie. I'll give you one quick example. We had a client once, he told me he'd never been convicted of a crime. And I said, well, okay, I'll take you at your word. Big mistake by me. His trial was actually right in this courthouse right here. I thought we were good. Turns out we weren't good. The defense attorney gets up, he's got a stack of papers, and he said to our client, he said, you've told us under oath that you have never been convicted of a crime. And he started showing conviction after conviction. The guy had lied, and I crawled under the table and I just covered my face like this. I went back to our client and said, look, I can't help you anymore. You lied to me. You hid evidence, because the defense lawyer is going to know you better than you know yourself. They'll have access to all of your medical records, all of your social media. And by the way, bonus tip, if you're active on social media, change the settings on social media so it's private and not public. Really important, because as soon as you file a lawsuit, the insurance company is going to scour your social media and look for things that they can use against you. Are you smoking? Are you out doing things that you say that you're not able to do, like snow skiing? And they're going to turn everything against you if they can. So change the settings on social media, all of them, to private and not public. That way it protects you. So those are the main tips. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Really appreciate that. Comment, share it. If you comment, I'm going to respond, and I look forward to seeing you next time.